The deadlift's a really common exercise that we use in the clinic for managing things like lower back pain and hip pain, because it's really effective way of loading these areas and getting them stronger, which can be really effective for managing pain. Now, a common anxiety that people have is that if they're not doing the deadlift in perfect technique, then they're going to end up making things worse and they're going to end up hurting themselves. There's two things that we need to kind of think about here. The first one is that there's no perfect technique. Everybody at beginner level, intermediate level, and even at the advanced professional level for weightlifting and powerlifting, strongman and these sorts of things, there's going to be a huge amount of variation in technique. So even the best in the world, they're all going to look slightly different. The other thing to consider is if you're totally new to it, don't expect that you're going to be perfect first time. Just like your first driving lesson or your first lesson with a musical instrument, it would be unrealistic to expect that you're going to be doing it perfect first time. So if you are going to be starting out in the deadlift, just start nice and light so you can get used to the movement and assess how it's feeling. Just move nice and slow so you can feel where your balance is, feel how your weight's moving around. And then as you're feeling more comfortable with it, you can add a wee bit of weight. So if you do have any issues with the deadlift or any concerns, get in touch and we can go over them. But if you are kind of going to go out on your own and try doing the deadlift, just remember that there is no perfect technique, okay? Everybody's going to vary slightly. And don't put the expectation in yourself that you're going to do it perfect first time, okay? So your back might bend a wee bit more, your knees might be a wee bit waddly, your ankles kind of might be a wee bit shaky, or you might find that your grip doesn't feel quite right side to side, okay? Just practice it over and over and over again with light weights to start with, grease the groove of the movements and kind of see how things are over a number